Hello everyone, thank you for stopping on my channel. In this video, I would like to demonstrate and showcase this simple URL shortener application that is created in Laravel. Or we can say in Laravel 12. So if we go to Composer, you can see that we are on Laravel 12. So what it does is you can put in any URL, and when you click on shorten URL, it will give you the short version of that URL, and it's pretty much the same application just like you might have seen online, Bitly and short URL, etc. And I call it tiny URL or TinyLink. So here I am running PHP artisan serve, running this application on local, and it's a very basic application so far. We have added only 3 routes, one for showing the index page. I'm using the welcome page given in Laravel, just using the bootstrap to add a form where we can show the input field in a button, and then we have another page, the same URL slash URL, but we are sending a post request, and over there we are storing the short URL, generating a short URL and storing it, and we are creating a 6-digit short code. So, and then we have a third endpoint, or we can say a route, and it's going to get the URL, and when you enter the URL and you click on create or short URL or short link, you will get to this page, and here is our short link. So now we can visit this, and this will redirect us to that link that we provided. Link to this will be given in the description below as well, and since it's a very basic version of a shortening URL application, this can be like a complete SaaS application as well, but so far you can see we have created a very basic Laravel short link or URL shortening application in Laravel. So let me know in the comments below if you want me to like add more features into it. Like you can see here, if you also want to contribute to this, link to this will be given like I mentioned in the description below. So you can also have your own contribution to this. And if we look at the CodeKeyan, there are paid projects available. So if we go to codekeyan.net and search for short URL, you can see that there are a lot of applications here. Mighty short URL shortener, it's in PHP cake framework, and we are using Laravel. This one is in PHP WordPress. This one is also in PHP. So you can see the scope here. So like if you want to have your own SaaS application, and you can clone this and create complete SaaS application from this. And if you want me to like add features on top of the basic feature that we currently have, let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. And yeah, let me know in the comments below if you have ideas for SaaS application that we can create in Laravel.